Welcome to Jack and Mia's family.
I'm telling you, this is the run!
You look like you're negotiating world peace.
Somebody in this room has to be brave.
I'd sleep better if the fate of civilization had a bedtime.
I leave for 5 minutes and somehow the kingdom is still standing.
And that, for the record, was elite.
Try not to declare victory over the furniture while I'm gone.
He's gonna be a zombie tomorrow.
Tell me he's not still on that game.
If the dramatic laser noises are any clue, yes.
Your body is here, but your soul is still fighting robots.
I'm in the middle of something enormous.
One more level, and I'm done.
That phrase stopped meaning anything 20 minutes ago.
Yeah, just one more.
Okay, this time I'm really done.
Future me is gonna be furious.
Five more minutes? I'll negotiate. You did this to us.
Wow. You look like you fought a war. I think my brain is buffering.
Let me guess. One more level?
This is gonna be a long day.
Stay alive, soldier. I regret everything.
Everything is moving too fast. I should have gone to bed.
Worst trade deal in history.
I'm never staying up late again. Until tonight.
So,
Was the last level worth your entire life? You don't understand. It was a very important level. You look like a documentary about poor decisions. I'm off for a bath now. These words are moving. I don't trust them.
That homework looks like it's winning.
My brain has officially left the building.
You know this isn't really about homework, right?
I had a system. This is gonna be a long conversation. It was just one night.
It's never just one night. It's what that night does to the next day.
Today was awful. I can't think anymore.
This is why sleep is not optional.
You always say that, like, I ruined everything.
Uh-oh.
I'm not angry, Jack. I'm worried.
You don't get it. School was terrible today.
Something else happened, didn't it?
It doesn't matter.
Why does it feel like I walked into a meeting?
Everyone keeps talking like I'm the problem.
Hey,
Nobody said that. I'm going to my room.
this wasn't really about homework.
Something happened at school. Today was the worst. I should have just stayed home forever. I wish I could rewind today. You disappeared pretty fast. I didn't disappear. I relocated. You only relocate when something really bad happens. I answered the question and I was completely wrong. Everyone laughed. After that, everything just felt bad all day. So, you know, everyone has a day like that. It didn't feel like everyone.
Tomorrow, nobody will remember this, except you.
Maybe I made today worse. Bad days happen, but you still choose what you do after. I was mad at school, but I yelled at everyone here.
That happens sometimes.
I should go talk to them. Okay, just talk. Don't panic.
I think he's coming.
I think I was kinda loud earlier.
Ma'am. Do you want to tell us what happened today?
I answered something wrong and everyone laughed. I felt stupid all day.
That must have felt really hard.
I'm sorry I yelled. I was just really mad at everything.
Talking is always better than exploding.
Tomorrow I'm going to answer another question.
Please like and subscribe to our channel, everyone!